I always wonder why cabbage receives so much hate, because cabbage is super versatile, because there's so many ways that you can cook cabbage. And also it's super healthy, has lots of fiber, which is good for your digestion system, and it has lots of vitamins and minerals. So cooking cabbage depends on how you cook it. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple cabbage and mincemeat recipe, which is going to be fantastic, incredible, delicious, all those lovely words, because yeah, as you can see, I'm enjoying my cabbage and mincemeat. Grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. Prep up ahead some fresh ingredients because the recipe is going to be super fast. And you'll need 300 grams of mincemeat, which is going to add in tons of flavor to the recipe. I'm going to get straight into cooking because I've already prepped up everything. So it's just a matter of cooking for around 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to place a pan over medium flame and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. The cooking oil is going to depend on how fatty your mincemeat is. Mine is a little bit fatty, that's why I've added in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan, and once it's ready, you're going to add in 1 medium onion to your pan. Saute for around 1 minute or until the onion gets a nice golden brown color, and this is the base of flavor which we are going to be adding to our cabbage. Cooking your onion slowly is going to release the natural sugars, hence the onion is going to caramelize and get that nice perfect color, which is going to add in tons of flavor to the cabbage. If you notice that your flames are too hot, just reduce the flames to medium so that your onions can slowly cook. Once ready, you're going to add in 3 minced cloves of garlic. Saute for 30 seconds. Cook out the raw garlic flavor, then you're going to make it very flavorful. Hence, your kitchen is going to be smelling absolutely amazing. Once your onions are looking just like this, you're going to add in your mincemeat. Use a spatula and break down the mincemeat as it's cooking. And as you can see, it has a nice pink color, which is going to turn into brownish once the meat is done cooking in a matter of around 3 to 4 minutes. I love cooking with mincemeat because it takes a very short while to cook. So if you're in a hurry, maybe to make your lunch or dinner, this is the perfect recipe for you to try out, and it will be super delicious. After 2 minutes, the meat is going to release a little bit of water, and also it's going to render its own fat. So the beef fat is going to add in incredible taste to the cabbage. While my beef is cooking, or mincemeat, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of garlic powder. You need lots of that garlic taste in your cabbage. Then next, I'm going to add in some paprika, which is going to add in color. If you have some smoked paprika, you can add that to the recipe because it's going to add in a nice smoky flavor. Add in 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, which is the key spice. 1 beef stock cube and 1 seasoning cube. You can tell this is going to be very late, very delicious. I'm going to smash down the seasoning cubes so that we can distribute the flavor into the meat. Now, at this point, you'll be tempted to enjoy the meat because the aroma is so good. It's seasoned perfectly. We have a nice color and it's slowly searing, making the kitchen smell absolutely incredible. I'm going to check out the seasoning just to make sure everything is okay. Add in 2 diced tomatoes, which are going to add in a nice tomato flavor to the cabbage. You're going to stir, throw in your carrots because they're going to take a while to cook. So they're going to cook together with the tomatoes and the meat. Look at that, gorgeous. I'm going to add in some chili flakes, which are quite optional. toss everything. In a matter of around 1 minute, your tomatoes will have cooked down. So now it's time to add in your cabbage. Use a spatula and mix in the minced meat, the tomatoes, together with the cabbage. Wow, just look at that color. Do not cover your cabbage because it's going to cook very fast, release a lot of water, hence your cabbage is going to get soupy. So I'm going to check the seasoning a final time because I've added in my cabbage. The stock cube, the seasoning cube have a little bit of salt, so it's just a matter of perfecting. So I'm going to add in some salt. Don't skip on the seasoning cubes because they add in tons of flavor. The cabbage, wow, I'm even salivating. Garnish with some coriander once ready. As you stir in, your cabbage is going to wilt down, hence it's going to cook very fast. So after checking in your seasoning and perfecting, you're going to put out the flames. Garnish with lots of coriander because, yeah, coriander adds in that finishing touch. Then you're going to stir in. I mean, just look at this. It's going to be lit. I'm excited. I'm going to be serving my cabbage and minced meat over some chapati which I made earlier on, and as you can see, the chapati is looking super soft layered, delicious. Check the recipe up here or in the description box for the full recipe. Grab a spatula, serve myself a good portion of this cabbage. Wow. We still have so much more because this recipe is for around 3 to 4 people. Wow, the cabbage has turned out perfect. As you can see, I love that the carrots are adding in some color together with the coriander. It's well seasoned and it's perfect for that lazy lunch or dinner idea. So yeah, catch you on my next episode because we have so many more recipes coming. Bye.